Vizsla is a sleek, athletic, medium-sized dog built for energy and speed. They're highly energetic and need lots of daily exercise and mental stimulation. Affectionate and people-oriented, they don't like being left alone for long. Their short coat is low maintenance, but they still shed a bit. Vizslas are smart, eager to please, and usually easy to train with consistency. They can be vocal and need structure to stay calm indoors. Health-wise, they're generally strong, and their average lifespan is 12 to 15 years. They thrive in active homes and love running, playing, and staying close to their people. Want more quick, honest breed info? Subscribe to FitWise Dogs and find your perfect pup.